Today I shall be showing you how to prepare ladhi pav, for which I have taken 100 grams of flour, 5 grams of yeast, to which I have already added the sugar and lukewarm water and kept it for fermentation, 5 grams of fat and 1/4 teaspoon of your salt. And this ferment after 10 to 15 minutes. Once it is done, I shall be preparing a soft dough. The yeast is well fermented, and now I shall be adding it to the flour and prepare a soft dough. First mix all the yeast solution into the flour and then keep on adding lukewarm water to prepare the dough. I am now adding little by little water and then kneading it into a soft dough. Let the gluten be well formed. The dough is now kneaded, and now I shall be taking the fat and the salt together. Cream it lightly and then let it go into the dough and continue again kneading till it becomes soft. So now here you will see that the gluten is well formed and it is forming into a very soft and clear dough. I shall now keep this covered with a muslin cloth for about 45 to 50 minutes. So now again I am now keeping it for fermentation covered with a muslin cloth for about half an hour to 45 minutes. The dough is now well risen, and now I shall take it for the punch back method. Slowly remove the muslin cloth by sprinkling some amount of water over it. And now we can start with the knockback. Sprinkling little flour over here onto the table. Slightly do the knockback method. Now I am dividing the dough into equal number of portions, approximately 4, and then I shall be taking each portion and doing it in a round form. I have greased a tray over here. Now over here I shall be showing you how to do baking in a pressure cooker. Since I don't have a size tin of the pressure cooker size, I have taken a flan tray, and in that I shall be keeping the rolled dough. And now this again I shall be keeping it for fermentation covered with a muslin cloth for about 20 to 25 minutes. Showing you all how to do the baking in a pressure cooker. For this I have already heated the pressure cooker on a medium flame for about 5 minutes and then reduced it on a low flame. Then you can place the salt or your sand at the bottom And remember one thing, when you're doing the baking part, do not place the gasket and the whistle, and continue baking for about 15 to 20 minutes or as required in the recipe. And do check the cake in middle to prevent it from burning. The laddi pav is now well risen, and I shall be removing it and keeping it for baking in the pressure cooker. So I have to be very careful. I have placed the laddi pav in the pressure cooker, and now I shall be closing it, and I have not put that ring or the vent, that is your whistle. And I shall be doing the baking for about 15 to 20 minutes, and when the golden color comes I shall be removing it.